Yes. The next important and last chapter is rules for conversion from binary to decimal with fractional part. So previously what we have seen is how to convert from decimal to binary, octal to decimal to octal, decimal to hexa, right? So now we are just doing the reverse of that. Rules for conversion from binary to decimal with fractional part. Okay, so converting the integral part of binary to decimal equivalent as mentioned in the slides, right? So now we have to focus on this fractional part. So now you see this number, consider 11.01. This is the binary value. So now I want to convert this binary fractional part into its equivalent decimal value. Okay, to its equivalent decimal value. 1 means this is 2 to the power 0. Okay, you take this 11.01, write down as it is. Okay, before decimal you have to write it 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, and after decimal we have to multiply it by 2 power minus. Okay, convert the fractional part of binary to decimal equivalent is divide each digit from right side of radix point till the end by 2 power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 power 3. That is divide by 2 power 1, that is 1 divided by 2 power 1. Okay, 1 divided by 2 power 2. So that is also same, or you can also say it as 0 into 2 power minus 1. Okay, both are same. So 2 power 1, 2 power 2, divide till the end, divided by 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power respectively, or multiply by 2 power minus 1, 2 power minus 2 and 2 power. This digit 0 into 2 power minus 1, 1 into 2 power minus 2. This digit into this you have to multiply it and then just add it. That's it. Add all the result coming from step 1. Equivalent fractional part decimal number would be the result obtained in this step 2. So 0 into any number it becomes 0. 1 by 4 is 0.25. So 0.25 into 1, that is equal to 0.25. So when you add 3.25 is the answer. So this is the converting the binary part, binary to decimal value in fractional part. Converting the binary number into decimal value with fractional part. Take down this number. Just this, remember this, before decimal this is 2 to the power 0, this is 2 to the power 1, this is 2 to the power 2. So after decimal you consider this as 2 to the power minus 1, 2 to the power minus 2 and multiply the bits. Okay, multiply the bits as it is and find out the answer. That's it. And in the same way we have to apply for octal also. Rules for conversion from octal to decimal with fractional part. Okay, so converting integral part of octal to decimal we have mentioned, and converting the fractional part of octal to decimal is we have to multiply this point into 8 power 1, 8 power 2, multiply, or we can divide it by 8 to the power of 1, 8 to the power of 2. So in the same way here you can see 624.712. Okay, 624 is, this is 8 to the power 0, this is 8 to the power 1, this is 8 to the power of 2. You have to multiply this value. Okay, and then after decimal what you have to do, this number into 8 to the power of minus 1, this number into 8 to the power of minus 2, this number into 8 to the power of minus 3. That's it. So when you multiply and when you add it, you will get the answer 404.894 as its equivalent decimal value. Okay, 7 into 8 power minus 1, 8 power minus 1, you just 1 by 8. Okay, 7 into 1 by 8 is 101. Okay, that you just calculate it and multiply it. That's it. 1 by 8, 1 by 64, 1 by 64 into 8. You just remember this calculations once you do the calculator, and then remember the some little bit for 3 to 4 bits. You just remember that and you apply for this numbers. Okay, so this is 8 to the power 0, 1, 2, and then this is 8 to the power of, after decimal multiply the given digit into 8 to the power of minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and as it is. Okay, so this is the rules for conversion from octal to decimal with fractional part. Okay, So in the same way, rules for conversion from hexa to decimal with fractional part. How to convert a hexa number with the fractional part? Okay, this is the hexa number. They have given that hexa number. Previously we have seen that just multiply it by power of its base value, right? After decimal, what we have to do? Whether divide each digit by 16 to the power of 16 power, or we can multiply by 16 to the power of -1, 16 to the -2 and 3. Okay, so this is 16 power 0 and this is 16 power 1, and d will be multiplied by 16 power -1, 4 is multiplied by 16 power -2 as it is. So 14, e will be called as 14. So 5 will be as it is and e will be called as 14. The equivalent value for e is 14. So 14 into 16 to the power of 1, that is 14 into 16 equal to 224, plus 5 into 1 equal to 5, plus d value is 13. 13 into 16 power -1, that is 0.8125, and this 4 is 4 into 16 power -2, the value is this. So when you add all this, you will get the answer. Okay, so this is the rules for converting the hexa to decimal. Okay, three things will be same. Okay, see, rules for convert binary to decimal. See, 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, and here -1, -2 after decimal. Okay, for octal we are seeing that 8 to the power of 0, 8 to the power 1, 8 to the power 2. After decimal, you have to multiply that digit with the base of this number, power -1, -2, -3. And similarly for hexadecimal, so here 16 power 0, 16 power 1, 16 to the -1 and 16 to the power of -2. Okay, yes. In the same way, you can also calculate this. 173.2, this is an octal value. How to convert this into decimal? Just you have to write after decimal, you have to 2 into 8 to the power -1. Here 3 into 8 to the 0, 7 into 8 to the power 1, 1 into 8 to the square. And so if you see, the answer is 123.25. Okay. Similarly, how to convert this binary value into decimal value? So here you have to take only 2 to the power, before decimal you have to multiply with 2 to the power of, okay. So after decimal, so here 0, 1, this is 2 to the power -1, this is 2 to the power -2. So multiply with this to the powers, respective powers with the number. So 0 into 2 power -1, 1 into 2 power -2. So multiply it and find out the result and add all those values, you will get 123.25. Yes friends, thank you so much. I hope you will be expertise in number system. Just practice, and any queries you can message. Okay, Master Education UGC NET @gmail.com. Thank you, all the best.